Hello and welcome to this video of Vocard Teaches. It's video 13, which is about subtracting linear expressions. It's from chapter 7, lesson 4 of your book, which starts on page 310. The method I'm going to show you how to do this is slightly different from in the book. I think it's easier. My students thought it was easier. Let's have a look at how it works. So you subtract linear expressions. It means you have a number in a bracket like this, a number and an expression in a bracket. You have 4x plus 5 minus 2x plus 3, for example. Okay, now when you have a question like this, it can be quite difficult to know what to do. Teachers might have told you to arrange them in columns, or maybe use number tiles or models. Those techniques could be fine. I'm going to show you something that's much easier. This is how you do it. The first expression, you leave this the way it is. So we have 4x plus 5. You leave that the same. This here is a minus. We'll write this as a plus. Okay, we're just flipping the symbol. Now what do we do with the second bracket after this? The second bracket, we also flip the symbols for each of the numbers. So here, we don't write it, but it's actually a plus 2x. So if we flip the symbol for this, it becomes minus 2x. And here we have a plus 3. This will become minus 3. Just like that. Now we can put the like terms together because it's a plus. So 4x minus 2x is 2x. Plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. That's as simple as that. That's what we do. Okay, let's have a look at question 13 and see how we can do this. The question will always be written like this. It will say simplify the expression, and then it will have the two expressions. The first one here, the first one here. There could be a plus or minus in the middle. That will depend on whether you're adding linear expressions or whether you're subtracting linear expressions. Don't worry too much about the names of the words. Just know what you need to do if it's a minus over here. So again, like we just did in the example before, we will keep the 5x plus 20. This will be the same. However, this minus will now become a plus, and in the question we have 5 plus x. So remember that there's a small plus here that we don't write. So that becomes, that's right, you guessed it, minus 5, because we are flipping the symbols. Here we have plus x. We'll turn this into a minus x. Right, the next step, what we do is now we can put the like terms together. So we'll have 5x and minus x. We can say 5x minus x plus 20 from here, plus 20 minus 5. Now if you have 5x minus x for this, it becomes 4x. And if you have plus 20 minus 5, it becomes plus 15. Okay, that's the answer. You can't simplify this anymore. You cannot add 4x and 15 to make 19x. That is wrong. You can't do that. You can only add like terms. So here we have 4x. You can only add this to other x's, other numbers with x. And here we have 15. You can only add this with other numbers without letters. 4x plus 15 is answer choice D. Answer choice D. Okay, if you have any questions or any comments, please leave a comment after the video and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you.